Class 5 SOF NSO Logical Reasoning. Logical Reasoning question number 1. Select the odd one out. In W, we have a line of symmetry. In K, there's a line of symmetry. In T, there's also a line of symmetry. But in Z, it does not have any line of symmetry. So that is the odd one out. Our answer is A. Question number 2. Some letters are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 as given below. Arrange the given letters to form a meaningful English word and select the correct option. Wisdom is the word formed and the option is D. Question number 3. If pencil means sharpener, sharpener means knife, knife means ruler, and ruler means paper, then dash is used for cutting vegetables. As we can see, knife means ruler. So our answer is ruler. Question number 4. Select the correct mirror image of the given figure. The given figure's mirror image is A. Question number 5. Shilpa is facing southwest direction. She turns 45° clockwise and then turns 135° anti-clockwise. In which direction is she facing now? Now she is facing the southeast direction. Question number 6. Which of the following options will complete the given figure pattern? As we can see here, A is fitting perfectly, but we're just gonna check the other options. B has the extra triangle which we do not need. C is also not suitable. And D doesn't have the circle. So our answer is A. Question number 7. Count the number of triangles formed in the given figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are 11 triangles formed in the given figure. Question number 8. There are 5 friends. P, Q, R, S and T. P is heavier than S. Q is as much heavy as T. R is lighter than T. S is heavier than Q. Who among them is the heaviest? Using this information, we can form a full equation. And in this equation, we can note that P is super duper heavy. Logical reasoning, question number 9. Which of the following elements is exactly between the 9th element from the left end and 5th element from the right end in the given arrangement? The 9th element from the left is Y and the 5th element from the right is W. And in the middle is a full stop. That is our answer, B. Logical reasoning, question number 10. If the day before yesterday was Saturday, then what day will it be from the 6th day from tomorrow? We'll note this down in a table. Today, tomorrow, yesterday, day before yesterday. Day before yesterday is Saturday, yesterday is Sunday, today is Monday, and tomorrow is Tuesday. And 6 days after is Sunday. So our answer is Sunday. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on post notifications so that you guys never miss out on a video that I upload. And I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.